What's up, everyone? Today we are doing something absolutely insane. I just spent a ridiculous amount of money booking cruises, canceling cruises, rebooking cruises, to find every single secret hack for 2026. And I'm going to give you all of them for free. Cruise lines have spent millions developing systems to get the most money out of you, but they left behind a few tiny loopholes. And today, we are going to exploit every single one of them. From getting a massive suite upgrade for pennies to finding secret menus that will blow your mind. This video has it all. This isn't your grandma's cruise guide. We're talking about AI tools that find the perfect cabin, stacking credits so you basically cruise for free, getting access to perks that are usually for crew members only. I literally hired a team of data analysts to track pricing for 6 months just for one of these hacks. We're going to be counting down the top 12 hacks that will completely change how you vacation. These are the secrets the cruise industry absolutely does not want you to know. So, if you want to cruise like a king without spending a fortune, you need to watch this entire video. I promise, by the end of this, you'll be a certified cruise hacking master. We're starting with a hack that can get you a penthouse suite for the price of an interior cabin, so you don't want to miss a second. Let's get into it. Here are the top 12 cruise hacks for 2026. Alright, kicking things off, hack number 1, snagging last-minute upgrades. Most people think you have to book a dream suite a year in advance. Wrong. The real magic happens in the days leading up to your cruise. Cruise lines go into panic mode trying to fill unsold cabins, especially expensive ones. They'd rather sell a suite cheap than sail empty. That creates a tiny window of opportunity. Sweet spot, 72 to 48 hours before departure. Book a cheap guaranteed interior cabin, your foot in the door. Exactly 3 days before your sail date, call customer service. Don't use the website, talk to a human. Be polite and ask, "I was wondering if there are any paid upgrade opportunities available for my sailing?" Agents can see cabins the public can't. I did this and got a balcony for an extra $50. $50. If phone lines are jammed, show up at the port early on embarkation day. Be first in line. Go straight to guest services desk. Peer coordinator. Not the check-in counter. Those people have the final manifest. Ask them the same question. They're desperate to fill no-show cabins. Huge payoff possible. I've seen folks walk on with an interior and into a 2-story suite. Be confident and be there at the right time. They might say no, but polite persistence wins. They need to fill the ship. You're the last-minute solution. High risk, high reward. Start your vacation like a total boss. Hack number 2 is all about playing the cruise line's own game against them. It's called the dynamic pricing loophole. Cruise fares are not static. They change constantly. Sometimes multiple times a day. They're driven by a complex algorithm. Demand, competitor pricing, how many times you've looked. It's designed to make you panic and book at a high price, but we can use this to our advantage. Most cruise lines in the United States and Canada have a best price guarantee. Here's the secret. Book as far in advance as you can. Do not pay in full. This locks your spot and starts the clock on the hack. After you book, become obsessed with your cruise price. Use a fare tracking website or even a simple spreadsheet. Check the exact cabin price every single morning. It takes 2 minutes. Wait for the price to drop. It will almost always dip between booking and the final payment date. The moment you see a drop, even $20, call the cruise line or your agent. Say, "I see the price for my cruise has dropped. I'd like a fare adjustment under your best price guarantee." They have to honor it. They will either reduce your final balance or give you the difference as onboard credit. I did this for an Alaska cruise and saved over $600. The price dropped 4 separate times and I called each time. They weren't thrilled, but they did it. This only works before your final payment date, usually 90 days before sailing. Once you pay in full, you're locked in. So hold off on that final payment until the last day possible. That gives you maximum time to watch for drops. It's a simple game of patience. Let the algorithm panic and drop the price, then swoop in and claim your savings. It's free money. Okay, this next hack is straight out of the future. For 2026, we're not just picking a cabin, we're using AI to find the perfect cabin. Forget just choosing between ocean view or balcony. We're talking about avoiding noise, finding hidden gem views, and guaranteeing you don't end up with a room under the 24-hour basketball court. There are new third-party AI tools and websites launching that do all the dirty work for you. These tools scrape thousands of cruise ship deck plans and millions of passenger reviews. They analyze everything. I mean everything. They know which cabins are under the noisy Lido deck buffet. They know which obstructed view cabins actually have a pretty decent view between two lifeboats. They can tell you which side of the ship will face the port so you wake up to a view of the city, not the industrial dock. Some of these AI platforms even let you input your preferences, like I'm a light sleeper or I want maximum morning sun on my balcony, and it will spit out the top 5 cabin numbers for you. I tested one for a Caribbean cruise, asked for a quiet midship balcony high up with a clear view to the water. The AI found a rare fully glass balcony and a spot between 2 quieter lounges. It was incredible. Before you book, search for a cruise cabin AI analyzer or a deck plan review tool. Avoid cabins by crew service elevators or ones with a spotlight blasting your balcony. That's how you go from good to flawless. Hack 6. Onboard credit stacking. Build your own all-inclusive. Stack the cruise promo, plus a travel agency bonus. Add card perks for another $50 to $150. Own 100 shares? Get shareholder OBC up to $250. Sometimes fare adjustments post as OBC too. I started a cruise with $750 OBC. Bar and steakhouse, $0. Hack 7. Secret menus and drink hacks. Ask politely. They'll often bring a legit Indian curry. Off-menu plates are fair game if you ask. Order the discounted drink of the day. DIY cocktail, buy the spirit, mix with soda package. Many bartenders know off-menu classics. Tip well, ask for a heavier pour. Preload digital tips before sailing. Crew sees it day 1. You'll get VIP energy everywhere. Mid-cruise, tap to tip in 5 seconds. Faster, better service follows you. Ask during slow moments. Be kind. Be specific. You'll get real local spots, not tourist traps. Even hidden onboard vantage points. Arrive before the first slot. Be in the first 20. Or roll in late and breeze through. Be prepared. Zero fumbling. Micro cruise add-ons, AR tours, boutique local experiences. Book fast. The coolest ones sell out instantly. Freeze great fares for 72 hours. Price can go down, not up. If something goes wrong, request a future cruise credit. Be professional. 12 insane hacks for 2026. Use them and cruise like royalty.